Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, science aficionados and accidental guests who pressed the wrong link, to another thrilling episode of Why Physics Matters, starring your host, Mr. Sam. Today we're talking about collisions. Yes, the very thing you blame when you drop your phone and the screen shatters. So, what exactly is a collision? Imagine one object runs into another. No, this isn't a blind date gone wrong. It's a fascinating physics phenomenon. When objects collide, energy transfers from one object to another. Energy is that magical stuff that makes things happen. The amount of energy transferred during a collision depends on the weight and speed of the moving object. In simpler terms, the faster and heavier your clumsy cat is, the more likely it is to knock over your favorite vase. To better understand energy transfer and collisions, let's pop into everyday life. People drop things. Things collide with the ground, often followed by words we can't say on this family-friendly channel. Oh, and drumsticks collide with drums to make sounds. You didn't think your drum solo was just skill, did you? Think about sports. Baseball, for instance. The batter swings the bat to collide with the ball. At that magic moment of impact, energy transfers from the bat to the ball, sending it soaring. So, the next time you strike out, feel free to blame physics. Now, let's roll into the bowling alley. When you bowl, you're transferring the energy from that impressively heavy ball to the pins. The faster you roll, the more pins you knock down. And yes, bringing your bulldog for extra speed is frowned upon. The moral of the story is this: the faster and heavier an object, the more energy it transfers. Think of it as the universe's way of saying, go big or go home. So, heavier and faster objects carry more energy. And that's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to understand the roller coaster ride that is collisions. This has been Mr. Sam, reminding you that science is both awesome and responsible for your broken juice mug. See you next time.